Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide or unhide a chart in TradingView. Whether you're tidying up your workspace, focusing on indicators, or preparing a clean screenshot, knowing how to quickly hide and reveal the price chart can make your workflow a lot smoother. This feature is particularly useful if you want to minimize distractions and focus on specific elements like your indicators or trend lines without the clutter of the candlesticks getting in the way. Here's how it works. With your TradingView chart open, move your cursor directly over the candlesticks of the chart you want to hide. You'll want to right-click right on the candles themselves, not the background or the grid. In the context menu that appears, choose Hide. As soon as you select it, the candlesticks disappear from view. That's it. You haven't deleted anything, and your layout is still intact. You've simply hidden the price series, so the chart looks cleaner while everything else on your screen stays put. This is great if you're looking to focus on other chart elements like indicators or trend lines, especially for Shopify store owners tracking metrics or working on marketing strategy where the price chart isn't the focal point at that moment. Now, when you're ready to bring those candlesticks back, head to the top left corner of the chart. That's where you'll see the symbol name and details for the instrument you're viewing. Hover your mouse over that area, and an eye icon will appear next to the stock or symbol name. Click the eye icon once, and the chart instantly reappears. This feature ensures that you're not making permanent changes to your layout. You can always toggle back to see the full chart with ease. It's perfect for those times when you're multitasking between different parts of your analysis and just want to temporarily clear up the view. If you ever need to hide it again without right-clicking, you can click that same eye icon to toggle the visibility off. It's a simple on and off switch for the chart series you're working with, which makes it super easy to toggle visibility depending on your immediate focus. Whether you're working on multiple charts or reviewing different time frames for a Shopify store's performance, this feature lets you switch back and forth quickly without losing track of your workflow. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the eye icon, make sure your cursor is hovering directly over the symbol name at the top left. It shows up when you move your mouse there. Also, remember that hiding only affects what you see. It doesn't change your symbol, your time frame, or your saved layout. So if you're analyzing the performance of a Shopify product or campaign and you hide the chart, your other settings remain unchanged. If you're using indicators, they'll remain visible unless you choose to hide them separately. This makes it easy to customize your view depending on what you need to see at any given time. And if you ever hide something by accident, just return to that top left symbol area and use the eye icon to bring it back in. One click, and that's all there is to it. Right-click on the candlesticks and select Hide to clear the chart. Then hover over the stock name at the top left and click the eye icon to unhide it. You can also use that same eye icon to hide the chart again anytime. Clean, quick, and fully reversible. This feature is a simple, effective way to streamline your charting and keep your workspace organized, especially during in-depth analysis sessions or when you're preparing visuals for reports or presentations. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and practice these steps so they become second nature. Whether you're working on tracking performance, analyzing market trends, or preparing your next big e-commerce strategy, this trick can help keep your workspace neat and focused. Happy charting!